Hi folks, Robert here. We're back with Revit training and we're looking at our vernacular home that we're redoing in Revit. House that's going to be flipped. So I've got the first level, I got the windows and the doors in, with some of the doors. We got a little more to do here. So let's go in and look at level 1. We've done our basement, so look at level 1. And if you didn't start with us, please start from the first video where we show the foundation and basement plan. So here, this is a simple layout interior for this type of structure, this building. Vernacular, so they normally have the kitchen is back here, and this is the living and dining area now. I did go in here, and well, I'll show you these pictures. It looks pretty, I don't know, just bear with me, just have a look here. So, where are they? Uh-oh. Geez, I'm sorry about this, folks. I should have had this kind of stuff ready to go. But just to give you an idea of what we looked at and what we dealt with here, open this one up. So this is the dining area. I don't know if anybody lived in here a few years. There's the living room area. Pretty shocking, I know. Boy. And then, oh my God, there's the bathroom. I don't want to see that too long. So anyway, what we would do here now, we come in here and basically we want to just rip all this out. I mean, totally demolish the interior here. So what I'm going to do now while I'm in here, I'm going to go and look at our second level. In my 3D view here, as you can see, I've got my stairs from the first level up and everything. So what I want to do is do the second level right quick. So I'm going to go here to level 1, level 2. And again, you know, let's go and look at our north elevation here. So now we've got a level 2, but we need a roof level. So I'm going to go into my datum here. I'll cancel that for now. Probably should have saved. I'm going to go to my datum and I'm going to do a line right across here. That's going to be my roof. So I'm going to select that, rename that to roof. Oops, sorry. And okay, yes. And this should be 25 feet even, because these are 10-foot levels between each floor, and then they have a 12-inch joist there. So I'm going to just drag these up. And then I need one more level for our parapet. So I'm going to go here. I mean, you guys know how to do this, I know. So just do this here. I want to get all this on the same end. Oh, geez. Okay. So here, I'm going to call this parapet, and this is going to be, let's see, 3 feet. Yeah, let's make it 3 feet, because I'm not really sure. I didn't go up there. Okay, so now we'll call this parapet. Now that should wrap our building up. I mean, close it up, and then we can get inside and do something with all those ugly rooms. But this is basically what you would do if you flip the house. I would model this thing up. And then, okay, now, so let's go to our level 2. And is that our level 2? No, I'm sorry. This is our level 2. And as you can see, there's nothing up there, so we need to do an underlay. Now, to do an underlay, you just simply go into the properties, and here there's none, so I'm going to just underlay level 1. So there's our level 1. And then now what I can do here to get this going, I'm going to draw my walls in. Yep, it would be, nope, it won't be that one. It'll be the wall that we use for, let me see, how's the cavity wall we created? Brick on brick. Okay, so we'll take this wall, and now here I'm giving it a height, and okay, yep, it's going up to roof. That's where I want it to go. So I'm going to just do my pick line, and I'll just pick. And I'll make this fine next well. Also, I'm going to pick pick here. You wrap that guy right on around. Okay, so there will be our walls for the second level. So let's look in 3D. So there we go. So we got our walls up. So now what we can quickly do, I can do a couple of things here to make this happen fast. So let's go to our level 1. And I want to select everything basically. And I want to use my filter. I'm going to check none, and then I want to filter out. I want to select the windows. I think it might be a few I don't want to copy in there, but I'm going to just go OK here. And then I want to paste. I want to copy his, and I want to paste it to assign selected levels, and then I want to put that on level 2. So that should have wrapped our building up. Okay. Except we don't need this one. That's a bedroom up there. What happened over here? Get any extras? So we're all good. So now let's get our roof on top here. So we'll have this bad boy all wrapped up, and then we can go and just do something with the inside, man. It looks really bad. So I'm gonna go to my roof level here, and I'm gonna just create a flat roof. Actually, I got a better idea for this. I'm gonna use a floor up here because it'll work just as good. So I'm gonna go floor here, and I'll pick line again, and I make sure I'm on the right level. I am on the roof. Uh-oh, I'm on the wrong roof. I don't want to be on a structural roof. Let me cancel that. I want to be in an architectural roof. Uh-oh, let me cancel that. Oh gosh. I want to go to parapet here. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna do this right here, right quick. I'm gonna underlay this as well, if I can find it. Okay. There we go. Boy, guys, I'm sorry. I'm having trouble seeing. So I'm going to underlay level 2. And then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to do my floor for my roof, for my roof level. Uh-oh. I don't want that one there. Come on, guys. Come on. Okay, now I'm going to just pop that one in there. I really want to get this buttoned up because, ugh, ugly. Ugly inside, man. Ugly. So I'm going to go there. And then I'm at 1 foot thickness, and I'm going to just finish that to see what happens. Uh-oh. Yes, there we go. Need another line here. And now just then intersect that and that. And hopefully it's finished. Attach. Okay, cancel that. I want, oh, no, I don't want to attach this one. That's right. I don't want to attach this one, but let's see what happened anyway. Okay, so I just want to drop this down. I'll fix this later. I did not want to attach that for obvious reasons. Okay, it won't let me do it in this view. Edit type. I'm gonna do it there. No, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to blow this out, and I'm going to pop it in one more time so we'll have our roof on here. So I'm going to go back to roof, and I'm going to just draw this in this time. Architecture. Actually, I'm going to just do a real roof. Looking around, roof by footprint. And I'll select the walls here. Nope. Okay. Yes. So what I want to do then, this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go up to parapet, right? And I'm going to underlay this. Just so I can see what's going on. 2. Okay, so now I want to go here. I'm on my parapet level. I'm at 0, so I'm going to just do a floor here. And then I want to, yep, and I want to finish it. Okay, now I want to select this guy, and I see what we're looking like in 3D. Okay, he's got to go down, 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 down. I don't know why that's happening. So let's go into another view here, maybe. See if I can fix it in our west view. Ah, that's the problem. Parapet should be here. My goodness, guys. My bad. Okay, so I'm going to drop this off. And I'll go back to my roof. The parapet is this all should go up the parapet for one thing, okay? So let's select all these. Let's go back here. Man, I'm forgetting Revit, guys. I'm gonna control these walls right here. Just want to get the building done because I want to go inside. And then I want to select these and I want to take these up to the parapet. There. And then my, yes, that's what's happening. Then I will go to my roof here. And then I'll do my floor here. I'll pick these walls. So anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Let's do the walls. I'm going to leave it there and see you in the next video. We'll go inside and start doing some interior work to make this place look good because I don't like it. So I'm going to see if that works. No. Okay, and I'll go to 3D view. Beautiful. So there we go, guys. We got our building all wrapped up. We got to do the ornaments and the stairs and the interior. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. And thanks again for all the support I've been getting from you guys. Bye.